Welcome back to our Ti-NspireApps. Today I will be teaching you a little bit about our matrix and vector made easy app. So matrix, matrices, matrix is just a plural of matrices. This app will help you a lot if you're taking Algebra 2 honors, pre-calculus, calculus if you want to freshen up. This app covers basically everything to do with matrices, vector, and yeah, let's get right into it. Why not? Okay, so Matrix 1. So this app, along with our other apps, there are sections, and in those sections, there are sections. So let's start with Matrix 1. Read about matrices. If your teacher didn't really explain this well, if you're still confused, we lay what matrices are right here for you, so you get a clear understanding before you go way into this. And of course, we explain everything well and to the point where you'll grasp the information and grasp the concept. So let's start with a plus b, a minus b. Why not? So you have two matrices. Your teacher tells you to add them or minus them. Boom and boom. Both of your answers right there, just like that. Okay, let's change this to 9. And as soon as I change that to 9, answers change like that. And if I forget to put a number there, right here and right here, my calculator is going to show me that I haven't put a number there. So your calculator and these apps are your best friends. Okay, let's say 12. Answer right there. Done. Okay, let's try something new. Of course, these, let's go right here. So this is all about inverse. Let's make this a 9. We start over here with the actual data. It shows what the inverse would be, and then this app shows you all your steps, step by step, which makes the reason all of our apps are so great. They show you all of the steps, step by step. Vectors, read all about vectors. Say you want to freshen up about vectors. All the information is right here. Intro to vectors. Start here, read, freshen up, learn some more, understand what you're being taught. And these apps are basically your teacher and best friend in that regard. Vectors, there's a whole section on vectors, and this section goes on. We have everything distance A and B, to find angle between two vectors, to find norm, unit vector, dot product. Let's do find angle between two vectors. Why not? Let's make this a 9. Okay, if we go up, scroll up. Length A, answer. Unit vector A, answer. Length B, answer. Going down a little bit, unit vector A, answer. Dot product, distance from A to B, projection of A onto B. Everything is there for you. And of course, you can check your work step by step. Matrix 2, a lot more things about matrices, matrix, find inverse for the formula. Let's change this number, make that a 8. Again, everything works just like that. And as soon as you put your question in, you get an answer, and you have the step-by-step solution. Thank you guys so much for watching our Matrix and Vector Made Easy app. Again, if you have any questions, please comment down below. We love to answer questions from you guys. And if you're interested in buying the apps, go make your way to www.Ti-NspireApps.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. In case you are taking Algebra 2 pre-calculus and you're looking also for a trig app, we do have a trig app. If you are a junior, senior, and you're taking ACT, SAT, we have apps for those things. We have apps for everything that you'll be taking to do with math. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.